Dear students, now we are continuing with how to form the quadratic equation if two roots are given to you. Okay. Now the third sum is, see, first root is 1 by 2, another root is given is minus 1 by 2. So that means one is alpha, another is beta. So we will take first one is alpha equal to 1 by 2, second one beta equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we have to find out the sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2, plus into minus, minus. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 gives you the value 0. Similarly, you have to find out the product of the roots, that is what, alpha into beta. So 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2, so plus into minus, minus, numerator with numerator, 1, 2 2s are 4. So now we have to write the quadratic equation. What is that? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Now you substitute the value. What is that? 0 into x plus minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. So x square minus 0 into x, 0, plus into minus, minus. So the required quadratic equation is x square minus 1 upon 4 equal to 0. This is the answer, right? Now one more, fourth sum, 2 minus root 5 comma 2 plus root 5. Okay, so let alpha equal to 2 minus root 5, beta equal to 2 plus root 5. As usual, what you have to find out? First of all, you have to find out the sum of the roots. Therefore, alpha plus beta equal to 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. See, writing the like terms together, 2 plus 2 minus root 5 plus root 5. See, we are getting 4. Right. Now alpha beta 2 minus root 5 multiplied by 2 plus root 5. Now here what is of the form a minus b into a plus b. It is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So what is the formula? A square minus b square. So we will write 2 square minus root 5 the whole square. What is 2 square? 4. What is root 5 into root 5? 5. So 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Therefore, required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So substitute minus 4x plus minus 1. So x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. This is the answer you have got. Okay. Now we will do some more interesting sums. Now what is the third sum? Fifth sum. It is very important. It is a word problem. The sum of the roots of the quadratic equation, see here we will write, sum of roots of quadratic equation is double their product. Find k if the equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3. Okay. Now listen very carefully. So one condition is given. Sum of the roots of the quadratic equation is double their product. Okay, that we will use it. Now comparing, see solution. Now listen, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We are comparing with the standard quadratic equation. So we are going to get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4k, c equal to k plus 3. Okay. Now, what is the condition given? Sum of the roots. Condition. Sum of roots is means equal to double. Double means 2 times of their product. Sum of the roots means what? Alpha plus beta. Here we have to write, let alpha and beta are the roots. So sum of the root means 2 times or double, 2 into alpha beta. Okay. Now what is the sum of the roots formula? You should know. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a, which is equal to minus, what is b? Minus 4x upon 1. So is equal to 4k. Similarly, product of the roots means c upon a. C is what? K plus 3. What is a? 1. So answer is k plus 3. Okay. Now listen carefully. Listen. See, this is the equation is given to you. What you did? You have compared with the standard equation of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So you have got a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4k and c equal to k plus 3. Now we do not know the roots of this quadratic equation. So we have assumed that the roots are alpha and beta. Okay. Now we are going to use the condition is given to you. What is the condition given to you? Sum of the roots is double their product. When you add the roots, that will become equal to 2 times of their product. Okay. So here it is their condition. Okay. Now we will use this condition. Alpha plus beta equal to 2 alpha beta. Now we will put the values. What is that? 4k equal to 2 into k plus 3. 4k equal to 2k plus 6. Taking like terms in one side. 2k equal to 6, k equal to 6 upon 2 is equal to 3. So answer k equal to 3. Followed or not? So in this way, if the conditions are given to you, you can use the condition and you can find out the value of any constant. Okay? Now, another is, this is also very important, 6 sum. if alpha and beta are the roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0, then find alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. So very simple again. Let us see how to do it. See solution. Given equation is x square minus y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. So we will comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore you got a equal to 1, b equal to minus 2, c equal to minus 7, right? Now what is given to you? Alpha and beta are the roots. So alpha plus beta, as I told you, minus b upon a. So minus 2 upon 1 equal to 2, right? Now similarly you have to find out the product of the roots. C upon a. What is c? Minus 7 upon 1 equal to minus 7. Now, so having known the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, we have to find out these two values, alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay. Now you tell me what is alpha plus beta the whole square? Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. You are knowing a plus b the whole square formula, right? Now what is here? You see alpha square plus beta square we want. So this we will take it to this side. So alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. That's all. So what is alpha plus beta? 2 square minus 2 into what is that? Minus 7. So 4 plus 14 is equal to 18. This is the value we got it. Now alpha cube plus beta cube. So what we will do is alpha plus beta the whole cube equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha plus beta. So here also we want this. So this will come here. So alpha cube plus beta cube equal to alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. You have to be very careful while solving the sums. Okay. Now what is this? You are knowing 2 cube minus 3 into what is alpha beta? Minus 7 into again alpha plus beta 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus into minus plus 21 into 2 42, so 50. So you have got what is the answer? Alpha square plus beta square equal to 18 and alpha cube plus beta cube equal to 50. In this way you can solve these sums which are very simple. Okay. Now again we will do different type of sum. This is very interesting. Find the value of k if roots are real and equal. Equal. As I told you, solution. What is the given equation? 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0. Okay. If roots are real and equal, then discriminant equal to 0. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the discriminant value. Before that we will write. What is A here? 3, B, K, C, 12. Right? Now we have to find out del, that should be equal to 0. So now del equal to, now B square minus 4AC is equal to, what is B? K square minus 4 into 3 into 12 is equal to K square minus 144. But roots are real and equal. Therefore, del equal to 0. But what is del? What is the value of del? K square minus 144 equal to 0. Therefore, K square equal to 144. So, what is K? Plus or minus 12. Therefore, value of K is plus 12 and minus 12. Or minus 12. Or you can write like this also here. Here you can write like this, K square minus 12 square. So K plus 12 into K minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, K plus 12 equal to 0 or K minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, K equal to minus 12 or K equal to plus 12. One and the same. Okay. Now you have to do like this. Now next sum. In that second sum, kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Okay. So now we will write in the standard form. Writing in standard form. So kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. So comparing ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is a? K. What is b? Minus 2k. What is c? 6. Right? Now we have to find out del, no? B square minus 4ac. What is b square? Minus 2k. Substitute the value. Minus 4 into k into 6. So 4k square minus 24k. But the roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal means what is the condition? Del should be 0. But what is the value of del here? 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. Now look at this. What is common here? 4k is common. So k minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, either 4k equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, k equal to 0 or k equal to 6. Therefore, value of k is 0 or 6. Is it interesting? Now, I hope everybody understood how to find out the value of k using the condition that the roots are real and equal. Now, we will go to the word problems. Now, word problems are very important. This exercise, practice at 2.6. So, word problem means what? First of all, you have to do, I will tell you the steps. Step 1. Read the word problem and convert into mathematical equation. Okay. So, first what you have to do? You read the word problem, understand and convert the same into mathematical equation. Now, second step. Step 2. Solve the problem by using any one of the method, factorization method, completing square method or formula method. By any of the method. Step 3. What is the step 3? Finally, you have to write the solution in verbal language. So, you have to write in a word forms, okay, or statements, statement form, in statement form. That's all, okay. Now, we will try to start the word problems, then you will understand better. Now, first one, the product of Pragati age 2 years ago. I will write down the sum. Product of Pragati age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is numerically 84. Find her present age. See, you have to be very careful while solving the word problems. Okay. Now look at this. Read the problem. Product of Pragati age 2 years ago. Ago means what? Before. Hence means what? After. Okay. So ago means before, hence means afterwards. Now we do not know the age of present age of Pragati. So we will write, let the present age of Pragati be X years. Okay. We assumed now. For example, your age is now 15. Your age is 15. What is your age what was your age before 2 years? What you will do? You will subtract. Right? So here, therefore, Pragati age 2 years ago equal to, you have to subtract. Okay. Now her age is X years. See here, 3 years hence, after 3 years. Therefore, Pragati age 3 years hence. Hence means after. Ago means before. So X plus 3 years. Now what they say, product of age 2 years ago. So from given condition, product of age. So product of age means what? Multiplication. So X minus 2 into X plus 3 is 84. See here, it has come product. Right? Now we will simplify. X into X plus 3 minus 2 into X plus 3 is equal to 84. So X square plus 3X minus 2X minus 6 equal to 84. Right? Now I will repeat these things. So X square plus X minus 6 equal to 84. So X square plus X minus 6 minus 84 equal to 0. So again, X square plus X minus 90 is equal to 0. Now we have got the perfect quadratic equation, right? Now what we have to do? We have to solve this equation by using any one method. So I hope here we will use factorization method. So what I should get? 90. So and here what is there? 1, 10 and 9. If you subtract 9 from 10, you will get 1. So factors are 10 and 9. So I will write here x square plus 10 minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. So x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. So what is common? X plus 10. Here minus common, 9 common. So x plus 10 is equal to 0. So what is common? X plus 10. X minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 10 equal to 0 or x minus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 10 or x equal to 9. See here, you have got two values of x. One is minus 10. But can anybody's age be negative? No. So, what we will write here? but age cannot be negative, but age cannot be negative. Therefore, Pragadi's present age is 9 years. Because what was, we assumed X is the age of the Pragati, present age. So, 9 years. Followed or not? Yeah, this is the answer. Okay. Now, please note down, or you can take snapshots. Now, second sum we will do. This is also very interesting. The sum of squares of two consecutive even natural number is 244. Find the numbers. Listen very carefully. What are the even natural numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. So, how you are getting? Here you are adding 2. So, if one number is x, another is x plus 2, etc., etc. Another is what? X plus 4, x plus 6, etc., etc. So, what should be the difference here? 2. Okay. So, solution. Let two consecutive even natural numbers be x, x plus 2. What is the condition? Say sum of squares. Condition. Sum of squares of two consecutive even natural number is 244. Sum means what? Addition. Squares, you have to square it. X square, x plus 2 the whole square. What here? Sum. So, sum is equal to, what is given? 244. So, we will solve it. X square plus a plus b the whole square. So, x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 244. So, what is this? 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244 equal to 0. So, 2x square plus 4x minus 240 equal to 0. Yeah. Now, look at this. Coefficient of x square, coefficient of x and constant term. These are all, see, we can, this is a factor of 2, here also. So, divide the equation by 2. So, what you will get? X square plus 2x minus 120 equal to 0. Now, what you have to do? We have to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. So, which will become easy for you. So, x square plus 2x minus 120 equal to 0. So, 120. What are the two factors? 12 tens are. So, if you subtract, you will get 2. So, x square plus 12 minus 10 into x minus 120 equal to 0. So, x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 equal to 0. So, taking common factors x plus 12 minus 10 x plus 12 equal to 0. So, x plus 12 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. So, x plus 12 equal to 0 or x minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 12 or x equal to 10. But is it a natural number? No. Is it a natural number? No. But minus 12 is not a natural number, right? Therefore, the even natural numbers are, what are they? X comma x plus 2. So, here what is the answer? 10 plus 2. So, 10 comma 12. So, this is how we can solve the word problems. Okay.